What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to Baking for J-Man. So in today's video, we will be showing you how we made vegan meat. Stay tuned. All of the ingredients and measurements will be listed down in the description box below. These are the carrots I used. I only used 4 of them, but I feel like it was a lot. So this is the brand mushroom that I used for my vegan meat. Alright, so it's also cauliflower in the recipe. I just didn't get to film the brand pack because I think I already threw it in the garbage and it was like probably all the way down in the garbage somewhere and I just didn't feel like digging up for it. This is the sun-dried tomatoes I used. I used the store brand. Yeah, I feel like they could have been a little drier, but yeah. These are the pumpkin seeds I used. They're also the store brand. Now I'm making this video because like for so long I've been wanting to learn how to make like a meat substitute, and instead of like buying like the Beyond Meat and the tofu and stuff like that, like I've always had my suspicion about like Beyond Meat and stuff. Like I'm not even gonna get into that right now. And like, to be honest, like personally, I don't like tofu. So, and this is what my carrots, mushrooms, cauliflower, carrots, mushrooms, and cauliflower look like. I already have chopped up garlic in the refrigerator, so I'm just gonna use that instead of blending it together. And then we're gonna move on to the next step. So for the vegetables that you see inside the food processor, how I got it shredded is like there's a blade attachment that you put at the top, and you put the vegetables through like the little tube thing. Like some food processors come with the blade and the tube thing, and then others don't. I didn't get to record that part. Hopefully next time I'll show you what my food processor looks like. So for my vegan meat, I didn't put oil inside my skillet. I just let it heat up, and then I added my vegetables to the skillet because eventually it's going to create water from the vegetables. Personally, I feel like I added way too many carrots. So what I did was I took the third mushroom that I had and blended it up and added it to my mixture. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so here is my vegan meat. Kind of overdid it with the carrots. I might take some carrots out. I'm not too big of a fan of carrots, but I might add some more mushrooms just to be on the safe side. Oh, and I gotta add the garlic. So this is what my sun-dried tomatoes and pumpkin seeds look like. So in this pot, I'm gonna put the chili in it, but I wanted to like add some flavor. So I put some olive oil, some onions, and some garlic. I put olive oil because really, honestly, that's the only thing that I have. I usually use rapeseed oil. I would recommend using rapeseed oil. Here's what the chili looks like. Caramelized with the onions and garlic and the oil. I may add a little bit more. Alright, so this is my vegan meat with one more mushroom added. So altogether I have 3 mushrooms added. I added an extra mushroom because it just looked too carroty, and I just wanted to bring some color to it, some darker color to it. Although I'm going to add more to it. Alright, so next I'm gonna add my sun-dried tomatoes and my sunflower seed mixture into the bowl. Hold on. Into the skillet. And I'm gonna let that cook for 1 to 2 minutes. This is what my beans look like after being on the stove for an hour and a half. Yep, almost 2 hours. So here's the finished product to my vegan meat. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I did season it in between shots. I just didn't record it, and I love the color. If you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and share to our YouTube channel at Baking for J-Man, as well as our Instagram page, Baking for J-Man. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.